Hello guys, in today's video we're going to check out the top 5 blenders in the market for this year. I made this list based on my personal opinion and I've tried to list them based on their price, quality, durability and more. To see the price and find out more information about these blenders, you can check out the description below. Also, make sure you subscribe to stay up to date with the latest technology reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5, it's the Magic Bullet Nutri-Bullet. The Magic Bullet Nutri-Bullet system is a unique piece of tech that delivers healthy, nutritious drinks which can help you fight and prevent disease, lose weight, relieve your pain, promote a healthy lifestyle, and even add years to your life. Aesthetically speaking, this blender comes in a stainless steel blade design with cyclonic action. Additionally, this unit is a 12-piece blender and it's extremely durable even though it has a plastic body. It'll last for a long time without any issue. Aside from the stylish and high-quality base unit, a variety of different sized cups are provided. In the package you'll find a useful handle and lids for the cups, which will allow you to take your juice with you wherever you go, or you could just pour it into your own bottles or cups. Let's talk about performance. The Nutri-Bullet MBR 1201R is a compact mixer blender. It utilizes a 600-watt motor in combination with its tough, durable cutting blades to process fruit and vegetables with ease. In addition, this blender is pretty convenient and easy to use. Even kids could use it without any difficulty. To make a smoothie, you just have to add the desired ingredients into the cup, fruits, greens or whatever you want, and you'll have your favorite smoothie as fast as possible. Moreover, this powerful machine pulverizes fruits, even frozen ones, and veggies, finely grinds seeds, and is an absolute beast on ice. You can use it many times every day for smoothies, and it's also recommended for business use, since it can withstand up to 7 hours of daily use and still perform without a problem. It also does the job perfectly with protein shakes and other milkshakes. Furthermore, it's important to mention that the Magic Bullet includes dishwasher-safe parts. The lid and blades are also easily detachable, allowing for quick cleaning and easy assembly. My only remark regarding this blender is the noise. Sometimes it can be very loud, but taking into consideration the powerful motor, any noise created by the machine is very short-lived. Finally, you should definitely consider the Magic Bullet Nutri-Bullet since it comes at a fair price and it performs remarkably. At number 4, it's the Blendtec TB62120. The Blendtec TB62120 is among the most purchased blender in the market, and this is not just for nothing, it's because it offers a fluid performance for a very reasonable price. It's a wonderful investment either for individual or commercial purposes. While there's plenty to talk about with this blender, we're going to focus on the most important features. From a design perspective, this unit comes in various colours including black, red and white, but no matter which you choose, the only thing that differs is the colour. The performance is just as good. The Blendtec TB62120 comes with BPA-free Triton copolyester jar with patented cold forged wingtip blades. Exclusively, this machine also comes with Smart Touch technology, which can come in handy in different scenarios. Additionally, it houses a large 4-pound container with a large handle, measurement markings and a secure fitting lid. When it comes to performance, the blender has 6 pre-programmed cycles such as Smart Touchpad and Auto Shut-Off feature. It sports a 1560-watt motor with 3 peak horsepower and uses a direct drive system. With this motor, the blender is able to serve your favourite smoothie in no time. Moving on, the large container is useful in making large quantities of smoothies, fresh juice, ice cream, milkshakes, cappuccinos, margaritas, sauces, soups, salsas and more, which is great in my opinion since you can save time by making juice for more than one person in the same container. It's worth noting that this blender features advanced controls that not only bring a touch of advancement to your kitchen, but also make the process of blending and cleaning easier. Moreover, this could help you a lot in case of preparing dinner. For example, if you want soup for dinner or you're eating veggies, this machine will be your best assistant. Even drinks, appetizers and desserts can all be made using the same jar. The time it takes to make each could be measured in seconds, not even minutes. Furthermore, Blendtec machines have the ability to knead thick bread and pizza dough and are now trusted by renowned chefs from all over the world. To conclude, the Blendtec not only looks premium but also performs as such. So we highly recommend you consider this because you won't regret your decision. At number 3, it's the Vitamix E310. The Vitamix E310 made its way to the top of the chain for a very short period since it was released recently, but due to its quality and high performance, it's remained up there. This blender has features that make it a suitable blender in every kitchen. From a design perspective, this unit has a 4-blade stainless steel construction that can cut through frozen fruit and ice cubes, which talks about how powerful it is. There's a 3-pound BPA-free plastic container included, which serves for blending a variety of ingredients. Additionally, the container has markings to measure how much liquid you've put in. Let's talk about performance, however. The Vitamix E310 is among the most powerful we've seen, and they have a great reputation for high-quality blending machines, durable enough to withstand years of usage. Considering the motor, this unit comes with a strong 2.0 HP motor and has 1,380 watts, which is great in my opinion, since not many other competitors out there boast the same. So for this price range, it's a perfect fit. Moving on, the blender's control has 10 speeds that can be varied by the user, which also gives the user total control of the blending process. It allows them to make tasty soups and one of the smoothest purees thanks to the ability to control the speed on the blender's processing. Moreover, the manufacturer claims that this tool can be counted as a multi-purpose universal blender which can make smoothies, juices, nut butter, soups, frozen desserts, batters, milkshakes and more. What I like most about this product is that it's very easy to clean, which could be a problem otherwise with other blenders that have poor build quality, but this is definitely not the case here. What I don't like about this machine is that because of its huge motor, these blenders can be loud sometimes. But again, I don't think this should be a problem since you'll have issues with most high-powered motors as far as noise goes. Generally, the Vitamix E310 is mainly recommended to those who want to change their lifestyle, diet, or their overall health. So, to conclude, if you want to make a great investment for yourself and your family, this blender could be the right choice. At number 2, it's the Ninja Pro Blender. The Ninja BL660 Pro Blender has been in the market for a couple of years now, but due to its quality and high performance, it's remained a top option for every kitchen. Let's get straight into the action and reveal what's so special about it. When it comes to design, this unit features a light grey construction with white accents at the front, and also with control buttons on the bottom centre, which give a great look to the overall aesthetics. Moving on, there's a large 4.5-pound pitcher which is made of high-quality BPA-free sand plastic, guaranteeing you a long life usage. It's not recommended for foods hotter than 180 degrees Fahrenheit though. When it comes to dimensions, it's pretty tall, so it may not fit under your upper kitchen cabinet, but again, it can mix a large amount of juice at the same time. So let's talk about performance. The Ninja Pro Blender comes with 1,100 watts of power, significantly greater than many affordable blenders. With 700 watts or less, these blenders can find ice and tough ingredients challenging. Moving on, this machine has 6 uniquely stacked blending blades for better performance and uses 3 different speeds, plus a pulse function, to offer various blending options. Moreover, this blender has 4 speeds that allow you to process and mix, blend, puree, liquefy, crush ice and pulse for controlled processing and bursts of power. The more speeds you have, the more options you have for trying new recipes. Those who've purchased this blender claim that the results are truly fantastic. For example, if you've been making fruits and veggies, you'll immediately notice that the taste is not only mouth-watering, but the texture is incredibly smooth as well, and that's something that we all enjoy. According to the manufacturer, it would take roughly around 30 to 60 seconds to blend different kinds of food, which isn't that long, and after you're done, processor cleaning is extremely easy. All you have to do is rinse it out with water. Last but not least, thanks to its versatile capabilities, you can also use it for making cocktails. So, as you can see, you can make practically everything with this device. Overall, I strongly recommend you consider the Ninja Pro Blender because it offers a great value for the price. And at number 1, it's the Vitamix 5200. If you're looking for a new quality blender, the Vitamix 5200 could be your ideal choice due to its interesting features and fluid performance. So let's get straight into the topic and reveal what's so special about it. Aesthetically speaking, you can find this blender in 2 color editions, black and white. However, keep in mind that the only difference between them is the colour. They both perform equally well. To be more specific, the entire unit weighs about 10.5 pounds, while the container is made from BPA-free plastic and holds 4 pounds, which means at the same time you can make big batches of soup, beverages and ice cream. When it comes to performance, the Vitamix 5200 has a 2 horsepower motor. This forceful blender uses 1380 watts to power through a variety of tasks, enough power to grind, puree, mix, blend or crush different foods. Moving on, this machine has 10 variable high-powered speeds with an RPM range of 500 to 37,000, which handles tougher blends with ease, giving you the power to control blending at slower speeds. Furthermore, with such a powerful motor, you can easily make everything from a simple fruit smoothie, crush ice, or healthy, creamy peanut butter, which is nearly impossible to be made without a blender of this caliber. However, as it's known for powerful blenders, this one's motor is also a bit loud, but not to the point where you can't bear it. Moreover, when it comes to cleaning, it's worth mentioning that this unit has a quality build with easy-to-clean materials, so you won't really have to worry about losing time with this. With just one rinse, it's all clean. Generally, if we combine all these great features into one piece, you'll realise that this is a must-have blender, and the price therefore is not that bad. To conclude, if you're looking for a powerful blender that looks and performs premium, this one could be your ideal choice. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video. If you found it helpful, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the future. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.